Okay, so rear door handle, you gotta pull this plug out. And you gotta have a pick tool that'll reach far enough in there to grab the switch and pull it out. I don't know if you can see in there well enough. There's a circle and it's offset, and you've got to grab that with the hook end, and the hook end will point that way. I made mine out of TIG rod to reach in there. So you hook it and pull back to you, and that should dislodge the lock. Right there. And you pull the door handle. Of course, it's got an electrical connection. So I'll try and show you what you're doing, trying to achieve here. Your hook comes up and grabs the bottom of that, and then you pull back, and that unlocks it. So you're just hooking the bottom portion there. Hope that helps.